discuss about the second consequence of first law of thermodynamics. The second consequence is that energy is a property. Now let us prove this energy is a property with the help of following process, which follows different paths B and C. Let us consider two process which change from state 2 to state 1 through paths B and C. Now let us apply our first law of thermodynamics equation, that is the summation of heat transfer from state 2 to state 1 through path B and the summation of work transfer from state B to 1 through path C. Those summations are equal, means dq 21b and dq 21c, the heat transfer from state 2 to state 1 through path B and the heat transfer from state 2 to state 1 through path C is equals to work transfer from state 2 to state 1 through path B and work transfer from state 2 to state 1 through path C. That is dq21b plus dq21c is equals to dw21b plus dw21c. Now if you send this into left hand side, dq21b minus dw21b is equals to dq21c minus dw21c. Therefore when the result, if you take this difference of these two path functions, it says that the quantity of dq minus dw is same for both the paths B and C. From this statement we can say it is this quantity is it is not a path and it is a point function like a property, and this is called a property. In thermodynamic terminology, this quantity is known as energy. Okay, now this energy is equals to d. Okay, change in its energy means delta Q is equals to dE plus delta W. As these are inexact differential, we can note it like this. Now this is the first law of thermodynamics. For a closed system undergoes a process, either it may be reversible or irreversible. This statement is very important in Indian engineering services point of view and also for GATE point of view, public sector enterprises. If you replace it with delta W with PDV work, so this is the equation which is applicable only for a reversible, whereas the above equation is applicable for both the reversible and irreversible process, but this is the equation applicable for only for a reversible process.